For this arm, let me take this jacket off. When your arm is up, the other one is down. On this one here, don't let this arm touch you. So it can't be here. This has got to be away from you. So you're on a plateau. So it's here, 2, 3, 4, here, 2, 3, 4, here, 2.
Are we doing the last at the end of it?
We're going to do the first one. The last is too hard. Go on the first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay? And then on this one, this is forward and back and forward and back. Take your shoulders with you and throw it away. Throw it away. Forward and back and forward. Throw it away. Right foot out. Now here's the part that looks poopy. Your EEs have to come, your left arm is high. Your EEs have to come in toward you, this way. And it's one ami, it's one big fat ami on your okole, just one. This foot, your right foot is there, it's just to balance you. It's here, it goes da, and then you take your butt back. Da, da, da,